Tammy Slaton, the star of TLC's hit reality show 1000 Pound Sisters, has once again captured the public's attention, but this time, it's not because of her weight loss, her TikTok videos, or her ongoing health journey. Instead, fans are buzzing about her love life after it was revealed that her new girlfriend has a legal history that's raising eyebrows across social media and even among longtime viewers of the show. The relationship, which appears to have developed quickly after Tammy's split from husband Caleb Y. Langham, has sparked both support and concern as the internet races to uncover everything it can about this new woman in her life. Though Tammy has always been known for making bold choices when it comes to relationships, this new chapter may be one of her most controversial yet. According to records emerging from public databases and court documents circulating online, the woman identified as Tammy's new romantic partner has a criminal past that includes multiple legal incidents. While Tammy has not yet publicly addressed the claims or confirmed the extent of the relationship, online sleuths and fans of 1000 Pound Sisters have dug into arrest records, mugshots, and past charges involving theft, disorderly conduct, and probation violations. Screenshots and video clips from TikTok and Instagram lives appear to show Tammy cozying up with the mystery woman, smiling and laughing in the background as the two dance or lip-sync to audio tracks. Fans were quick to match her face to prior mugshots, revealing a name and a troubling trail of legal trouble that now threatens to overshadow Tammy's recent progress and personal victories. The situation has sparked heated debates among fans and critics. Some argue that Tammy has a right to love whomever she chooses, regardless of their past. Others warn that getting involved with someone who has a criminal record could put her emotional health, and possibly her sobriety, in jeopardy. Many remember the ups and downs Tammy went through with Caleb, who passed away not long after their short-lived marriage, and fear that this new relationship could bring more instability. TLC has yet to make any official statement about the situation, but there's speculation that this could play out in the upcoming season of 1000 Pound Sisters, which is currently in filming. Viewers of the show have seen Tammy's struggles firsthand, from her early battles with food addiction and mobility issues to her more recent health wins, including bariatric surgery and her journey toward weight loss maintenance. Her love life, however, has been rocky at best. Past relationships with men like Jerry and BBW King didn't end well and were often fraught with emotional strain and public backlash. With Tammy now finding herself connected to a woman with a documented criminal history, the focus is shifting once again. And from her health to her personal decisions. Court records obtained by various outlets suggest that Tammy's new girlfriend, whose name has not yet been officially confirmed by Tammy, has a pattern of misdemeanors and alleged drug-related charges that span several years. Some fans believe the woman spent time in jail, while others argue that she may now be sober and turning her life around. Either way, the relationship has stirred up questions about Tammy's judgment and whether she is surrounding herself with the kind of support she needs to maintain her health progress. On social media, reaction has been swift and divided. One user wrote, "Tammy deserves happiness, but she also needs to be careful. She's come too far to fall back into chaos." Another commented, "People change. Maybe her new girl is reformed. Who are we to judge?" Meanwhile, others were more skeptical, expressing frustration that Tammy might be repeating unhealthy patterns by dating someone who could bring legal baggage and possible stress into her life. The drama has also led to increased interest in Tammy's social media behavior. Fans have combed through her likes, follows, and live sessions in search of clues. Some have noted that Tammy recently unfollowed several accounts, leading to speculation that she may be distancing herself from critics or those who disapprove of the new relationship. Others pointed out that she seems happier in recent videos, laughing more freely and appearing more relaxed, possibly indicating a newfound emotional connection. Whether this new woman is a positive influence or another potential source of pain remains to be seen. But what is undeniable is that Tammy continues to make headlines with her choices. For someone who has spent most of her adult life in the public eye, managing scrutiny has become second nature. Yet even her most loyal supporters admit that this development is complex. They want the best for her, but also hope she's not compromising her well-being in the name of love. Family members, especially sister Amy Slaton, have not publicly commented on Tammy's rumored girlfriend. However, Amy has always expressed a strong desire to see Tammy happy and healthy, and some fans believe she may be taking a cautious step back rather than interfering in Tammy's private life. Others suggest that Amy is likely concerned behind the scenes, especially given her own recent string of public struggles, including her separation from husband Michael Halterman and ongoing parenting responsibilities. Tammy and Amy's relationship has been at the core of 1000-Pound Sisters from the very beginning, and their bond has helped carry the show through its most emotional moments. If this new girlfriend becomes a recurring figure in Tammy's life, it's likely that her presence will eventually reach the screen, where viewers will get to form their own opinions based on first-hand footage rather than rumors. Still, reality television has a way of editing for drama, and fans are warning each other not to jump to conclusions until all the facts are out. Meanwhile, reports about Tammy's girlfriend's legal background continue to surface. One document allegedly details an incident involving public intoxication and resisting arrest. Another references charges related to theft under $500. While these offenses may not be severe on their own, the pattern of behavior has made fans nervous. They worry that Tammy, who has only recently stabilized her physical and mental health, may be placing herself in a vulnerable position. It's worth noting that Tammy herself has overcome enormous challenges. From nearly losing her life to obesity-related complications to committing herself to treatment and undergoing weight loss surgery, she has demonstrated a level of determination that few could have predicted. Her success is inspiring, especially to viewers who saw her at her lowest. But that same emotional vulnerability that made her journey so moving is also what fans fear could be exploited by the wrong person. Relationship experts weighing in on the situation have echoed these concerns. One therapist interviewed by a fan podcast said, "It's not uncommon for people who've been through trauma or addiction to be drawn to partners who have their own chaos. It can feel familiar, even if it's not healthy." Another noted that Tammy should be surrounded by individuals who support her goals and mental well-being, not those who might trigger aggression. Despite all the noise, Tammy seems determined to live her truth. In several recent TikTok videos, she appears unbothered by the rumors, smiling with confidence and sometimes even lip-syncing to songs that imply defiance or independence. Whether these are subtle messages to her fans or her haters is unclear, but one thing is obvious: Tammy is not hiding. And that may be what frustrates people most. She's out in the open, living boldly, and refusing to let public opinion dictate her choices. As production for the next season of 1000-Pound Sisters continues, insiders hint that TLC is well aware of the chatter and may already be planning to address the topic on screen. This wouldn't be the first time Tammy's personal life becomes a major storyline, and the network knows that her love life drives ratings. If the rumors about her girlfriend's criminal history prove to be true, and if the relationship lasts, it's likely to be one of the most talked about arcs in the show's history. Until then, fans are left with pieced together facts, speculation, and a lot of emotion. Some will root for Tammy no matter what. Others will voice their concern and criticize her decisions. But at the center of it all is a woman who has never stopped fighting to live life on her own terms. Tammy Slaton may be controversial, but she's also authentic. And that's what keeps everyone watching. Whether this new romance turns out to be healing or harmful, one thing is certain: Tammy's journey is far from over. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.